Hi there, folks. In this week's quick video, we will answer the question, what does the term non-value added mean? A non-value added activity is any activity that adds no value to the product, service, or information. Non-value added activities typically have three characteristics that are fairly simple to identify. Those characteristics are that the activity or information does not transform or add value in any way. Nobody is willing to be a customer for the activity, and the final characteristic is when something is not performed correctly the first time through. Non-value added activities generally take up about 85% of a value stream in most organizations. And that's it. Non-value added. For more information on how to identify and remove non-value from your organization, take a look around at some of our courses or send us a message. We would be happy to help. Now, before you go, take a moment to answer the question, what non-value added activities do you see on a daily basis? After you contribute to the comment section, take a look around and let's help each other destroy non-value.